We are doing Panchakosha Shudhi.
Okay.
We have 5 bodies.
Okay.
This will help to successful
Okay.
of real life and
Okay.
till the end of Samadhi,
Okay.
enlightenment,
Okay.
or oneness with the God.
Okay.
This, if you can learn this is a course.
Okay. Okay.
How to live. It's a lifestyle, tantric holistic lifestyle.
Okay.
It is including the purification of 5 bodies. Annamaya, Manomaya, Pranamaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya.
Okay.
Annamaya is physical body.
Okay.
We have to use some kind of certain foods and everything. Do you have diabetes or something?
No. Any.
Autoimmune disease or something?
No.
So, we have to use proper food,
Okay.
probiotic food.
Okay.
Most of the people normally have some kind of destruction of lots of good bacteria in our gut flora.
Okay.
Gut-brain axis is the new study.
Okay.
So, gut floras are giving my neurotransmitters to head to think properly. So normally this gut-brain axis we have to correct.
Okay.
Microbiota,
Okay.
that kind of foods we have to
Okay.
take.
Okay.
This kind of new study,
Okay.
latest study we have to use for purification of Annamaya Kosha.
Okay.
So, because of the damages of these gut floras are creating autoimmune disease like rheumatic arthritis,
Okay.
Hashimoto thyroiditis,
Okay.
diabetes,
Okay.
and cholesterol, sugar,
Okay.
BP, lots of issues,
Okay.
cancer even.
Okay.
So, some types of cancers are coming like this.
Okay.
Insulin resistance is coming
Okay.
because of this.
Okay.
So we have to use that kind of proper food.
Okay.
Next is why the food is going bad.
Okay.
Every animal have their own knowledge to eat, how to eat, which food I have to eat.
Okay.
They will not take chemicalized food.
Okay. Yes.
Through the 5 senses, they can experience the prana of the food.
Yes.
This prana is negative or positive for me.
Okay.
They can understand.
Okay.
Then the karmas will be good. They will enjoy their life.
Okay.
They are not affected with any disease.
Okay.
But we people, what is happening? Our Manomaya Kosha is more elaborated,
Okay.
developed. That's why we are thinking in future and past.
Okay.
Always we are living in future and past.
Yes.
Thought process always will be past or future. It cannot be present.
Yes.
If you are looking me,
Okay.
your 5 senses are working only in present.
Yes.
This cannot be future or past.
Yes. Yes.
If you are looking me, you are in present. You are in truth. You are in God.
Yes.
That is real meditation.
Okay.
If you are closing your eyes, you are thinking about chakras, the lights and everything. This imagination is not real.
Yes.
The imagination cannot be real.
Okay.
But if you can feel some kind of vibrational field in that sentence, that is real chakras.
Okay.
The meditation trainees are using the mind a wrong way. They will increasing the mind.
Okay.
Then what will happen? The Kundalini, when rise the Kundalini, it will directly go to mind.
Okay.
It will activate your mind.
Okay. Okay.
Then the Kundalini syndrome will start.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay.
That's why Patanjali says yoga chitta vritti nirodhanaha. Yoga means stop your mind.
Okay.
That's the first step.
Okay.
But we are doing the last.
Yes. Yes.
So, when the rising of Kundalini, it will run through it should run through the Sushumna.
Okay.
But it is going through the Ida and Pingala.
Okay. Okay. Side nadis.
Side nadis and come to Ajna to outside.
Okay. Okay. Instead of going in central Nadi Susmana, it is going some other direction. Okay.
Kundalini should run through the Sushumna.
Okay.
But if you have mind, it will run through the Ida and Pingala.
Okay. Okay.
Come to Ajna and the pulsation will start.
Okay.
And the mind will be speed.
Okay.
Lots of negative vibrational field like ghost type of energies will come and hijack the Kundalini.
Okay. Okay.
Then the people will start fear, anxiety disorders, bipolar disorders, lots of psychosomatic disorders. So, I'm a psychologist, many people are coming, but these kind of cases, I will not go through the modern psychology.
Okay.
Because even 2 hours counseling or psychotherapy,
Okay.
no changes.
Yes.
In this kind of particular case, it is useful for some other case, CBT, REBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, everything is useful.
Okay.
I will apply.
Okay.
But in this kind of case, the direct counseling is not nothing. It will not be effective. The people knows everything.
Yes.
They will counsel me. They are not small people.
Yes.
They are people like you, educated, good, knowledgeable people. Though you knows the things. No need to say be positive or something.
Yeah. Yes.
So it is not useful. The problem is you have to correct the pranamaya version.
Okay.
Pranamaya is chakra body. The blockages of the chakra by the negative vibration field. It is not actually the blockage of the chakra, it is the path of Ida and Pingala.
Okay.
The Ida and Pingala, if the Ida and Pingala will be positive,
Okay.
your life will be positive, means your life will be successful. What you want, it will come to you.
Okay.
It is like Swarga, heaven.
Okay.
Because that in that positive way of running of Kundalini in that path,
Okay.
lots of positive deities are there.
Okay.
What is the difference between positive and negative deities? Positive deities above heart chakra
Okay.
is residing. Negative energies are below heart chakra.
Okay.
It is working. So, positive deities will help you to attain your Purushartha. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Systematic way with the Dharma, ethics, if you are doing, earning money, then you can fulfill your desire. Kama, Dharma, Artha. Artha means money. And ethical way you earn money and you can fulfill your dreams.
Okay.
Vasanas fulfill. That is Kama.
Okay.
Then there is no energy to come and enjoy this universe. Already enjoyed.
Yes.
Then the moksha. That seed of the desire burned.
Okay.
No need to come again here. That is moksha. Moksha is not a mythical something. We can experience everybody. If you go scientific way, systematic way, through the meditation, that is the aim of everybody.
Okay.
That is Anandamaya Kosha.
Okay.
The purification of Panchakosha, through the purification of Panchakosha, you will attain Anandamaya Kosha.
Okay.
Annamaya, Manamaya, Pranamaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya.
Okay.
This is the step of Srividya meditation system also. You can take Diksha in Srividya system or Vaishnava system or Shaiva system from here.
Okay.
Vedas, Tantra, Vedanta, whatever what do you want, you can take Diksha. Everything is path.
Okay.
Srividya is more easy. According to normal people, that's why we are giving.
Okay.
And I am giving Srividya to those people.
Okay.
You have to take mantra diksha and you have to do the sadhana properly, then you can purify the pranamaya kosha by the help of positive deities.
Okay.
So I can show you what is deity, how it is working, what is pranamaya kosha, how it is working, or how the law of attraction is working.